Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to try Shine Armor's it's called Graphene ceramic spray. They did send this to me to try out, and then they also come with a towel. They come with a spray cap as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put the spray cap on this, and then we'll go ahead and try it on the car and see how it exactly works. There we go. Now we have the cap ready to go. It's the towel that it came with. We're gonna try it on the charger because the charger is outside the garage and it's better lighting out here, so you guys can see it better. Okay, so the car is a bit dirty, but we're gonna go ahead and spray it here on the car, on this side of the hood at least. Now, once you do spray it, you're supposed to let it sit for about like 30 seconds to a minute. So this way you could go ahead and actually show the effects on it. As you guys can see, I sprayed it on this side, and then as you can see, this side is still dirty. We'll come back to it in about a minute, and then we'll go from there. All right, so it's been a minute. We're gonna go ahead and just wipe it off here. And once we wipe it off, we'll go ahead and get some water, and I'll show you guys how the product works. Now I just got some regular water, and we're gonna go ahead and pour it on this. As you can see, it drips right away. Just try some more all the way around. And as you can see, it did its job perfectly. I did go ahead and take off all the water. No water was really absorbed on the hood itself. But then again, this is the product that they did send to me. It did come with the towels as well. I personally love the product. As you guys could see, it works fantastic. I'm gonna keep using it on the Hellcat as well. I'll do another video about it, of me cleaning the cars, Scat Pack and Hellcat, and all the products I use to clean the inside and the outside of it with. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a like, leave a comment, let me know what else you guys want to see next, and have a good day.